Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Tutorial on create conditional questions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the previous response to determine which question to display at runtime. As an example, when we are going to ask the names of the household members, then we will use three different types of questions on the same item, which is name. If we are on the first line, the question is, what is the name of the household head? When we are on the second line, we ask about the spouse if the household head is married. If we are on or beyond the second line and the household head is unmarried, then the question will be the name of the person who lives in this household. Let's see how we can use the condition in the CAPI question. The bottom window of the question editor is used to add conditions. Select an item for which you want to add a condition from the left hand form design tree. We will select the item name. At this point, we have only one question, the name of the person who lives in this household. Based on the condition, we must convert this question from 1 to 3 questions. The first condition is, if we are on the first line, then the question will be for the household head. To add a condition, click on the blue highlighted bar in the condition window and then press enter, or right click on the blue highlighted bar in the condition window and then choose add condition. Type condition current occurrence with parenthesis is equal to 1. Now enter text what is the name of the household head for this condition. At this point, the first question is set against this condition. Now we need 2 more questions. To add a second condition, press Ctrl A or right click on the blue highlighted bar and then choose add condition. You will get another line for condition. Condition may be combined using logic operators such as AND, OR. Type current occurrence with parenthesis is equal to 2 and marital with parenthesis is equal to 2 and write 1 in the parenthesis. It means when we are on the second occurrence and the household head's marital status is married on the first occurrence, then ask about the spouse name. Now enter text. What is the name of the household head's spouse? This question is for the second condition. Add one more condition. If the household head is not married, press Ctrl A to add another condition. Just type current occurrences with parentheses not equal to 1. That's it. In the window above, enter text for this condition. It works like this. When we get to the first row, this condition will be executed. When we move to the second row, this condition will be evaluated. If the household head is married, this question will be displayed. If the household head's marital status is not married, this condition becomes false and the third condition is executed regardless of whether you are on the second or subsequent rows. Let's see another example for the same 3 questions. In this example, we will use dummy variables name in the condition window. Declare 2 numeric global variables, get marital status and get occurrence num. Click on the name procedure. Write a statement in onFocus. The onFocus statement declares that the statements following it are executed when a form, roster or field become get the current occurrence number in the get occurrence num variable, and on the second line, get the household head marital status. Now go back on the condition window, replace current occurrence with get occurrence num in the first and the third condition. Replace current occurrence with get occurrence num and marital with the get marital status on the second condition. Now save and run your application and it will work as before. I hope you find this tutorial useful in your work. Keep on learning and goodbye.